Guys, I want to show you my gold trade of 2021, the first trade of the year. I was waiting on the higher time frames to see this channel broken. So we saw that we have made a nice uptrending market here. Then we made lower highs. So I was waiting for a nice triangle structure to break. As you can see on the 4-hour, here we broke our triangle perfectly. After this closure, I was waiting for some kind of rejection back to our zone, to our trend line. And after that, I really wanted to see some kind of rejection and push to the upside. As you can see, almost zero drawdown and just shoot up like 500 pips almost. So as you can see on the 1 hour, just perfectly. I actually entered, I think here on this candle already, not on this one. So the entry could have been a little bit better. So everyone who maybe had the same vision and entered on this one, then you almost had no drawdown. I think 10 or 15 pips drawdown on gold. Is a really good trade. So I'm still waiting. I still want to see some kind of 1950 to 55-ish. That would be my take profit. But for now, we are just rolling on, and my stop loss is already at 1920. So the bag is already more than secured. So that's my vision on gold for now. I really want to see something between this zone for our target, something like this, for a possible target to see. Maybe on the long term this year we could possibly see even 2000 even broken again and even further back up. But for now I wanna see some kind of rejection around this zone. Maybe we can go back down again after that. But that's really just a little bit waiting. For now, 1950-ish would be a nice take profit for us. Then the next one, GU, I'm gonna see on the daily because for some of you guys will probably know how I trade and how my strategy really works. And for now, I'm really waiting on some kind of rejection on this zone. A little bit more to the downside, like this. So I'm going to delete this. What do I want to see? We saw that this was our last high. We broke our high and now we are retesting our high. Okay, on the 4-hour, we can see that I'm looking for this zone. This zone, maybe we can see some kind of rejection and then we can move further back up. If not, and we break this zone, this could be very possible because of the dollar being super weak. Then we could maybe even see some kind of rejection around this zone. Okay. So we're just a little bit waiting. Don't move too quickly on this one because as you can see around this zone on the 1-hour, we saw already some kind of rejection, not a really beautiful big one, but the market really has some trouble breaking this structure. Okay, so keep that in mind. If we see maybe some kind of consolidation or really nice rejection with a pullback to the upside and a retest, something like this, I will draw it for you. So maybe we can see after some kind of consolidation that we have a nice move to the upside. Then we move back down like something like this. around this zone, then this could be a nice setup for a long position. And then we go back up further and we put our stop loss just below this low. Okay, so that's what I'm waiting for now. Do we break this zone or do we see some kind of rejection to the upside? If we see some kind of rejection to the upside, I will go for the long position. If not, and we break this zone, then I'm probably going to look for something like here around 14,600, 1.34600 to see some kind of rejection here and then maybe move to the upside. All right. That's my vision on GU. Then my last one was, I think, Euro GBP. Let's see on the daily. Well, on the daily and on Euro GBP, we see a lot of movement actually. We just broke out of our downtrending channel. And now we see that we are still having some kind of bearish power, and we want to go down. So for now, let's see. For now, what do I want to see is maybe the market a little bit moving up further, and then we could possibly see around this one a rejection. If we see some kind of rejection around this zone, or even a little bit lower, like we actually already done, then we could possibly see another move to the downside to our last support. But for now, I actually want to see the market go a little bit higher before we go for the sell opportunity. But if we do and we hit this zone and we see some kind of rejection candle, this could be a nice sell setup, just our stop loss above this high. And then our final take profit will probably be something like this. Let's see in the daily. Yeah, that could be possible in the upcoming week or two. This could be very much possible. But for sure, wait a little bit around this zone. Yeah, I want to see it come a little bit higher, just to hit some stop losses, because probably a lot of people will already have sold here the market. So I want to see the market go a little bit higher, and then we could possibly go for the sell. Next one, I want to go over Ripple really fast. Some of you guys will probably know that Ripple has some issues with the SEC in the USA. That's why we have seen a big sell-off from 65 cents to 17 cents, and now we are back at 23 cents. Now, in my opinion, this is a really good time to invest in some Ripples. But don't quote that, please, because there's always a chance that it will crash and that Ripple won't be anything worth. So, but in my opinion, probably Ripple will win the case in the USA against the SEC. And if that happens, then we could possibly see Ripple go up like we've never seen before. And I mean, like $1, $5, $10. But that's of course long term. So don't quote that on me, please, because I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just trying to help where I can and give my opinion on some things. So, guys, that will be it for now. Make sure it's the beginning of the year. Don't push your luck right now. We have still 361 days, I think that it's this year. So please stay calm. Don't rush the process, and of course, just make your trading plan and follow it step by step. If you do this right now from day one, you will see the big results in the end of this year. For now, that will be all. And I hope you guys have a really, really nice 2021 and a really nice trading week. If there are any questions, please drop it in the chat box right now. If there are no questions, I will leave you guys for tonight, and I will see you guys next week. All right, I don't think there are any questions. Okay, guys, thank you very much for following our session. And then I hope to see you guys all next week. Bring your friends, of course, next week, so we can have a little big party, a blue party, hopefully. And then I will try to post some things in the Discord as well, if there are any updates. Guys, have a beautiful, beautiful evening and a really nice trading week. And I see you guys next week. Bye-bye.